Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue and olive green color, vertically done in pallu, dark royal blue color blouse piece, one side olive green borders. The saree is completely in the two shades. The middle part is completely green with the dark olive green color printing, and it's a half and half pattern saree. The top half is completely with blue and green printing with temple design, and the lower half have green portion more with printed design in the body. So almost a half saree, modern saree, but in same color, so only the printing is different with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu with zari lines, almost a bottle green shade in a lighter version with very beautiful same plain blouse piece. Pallu color, contrast with the border and the body. Body is very different color, multiple colors, brush painted design. You can see rainbow pattern, completely hand painted design on the base, and on it the black color is used for block printing. Very elegant one, very different and trendy design too, with the borders in the pallu color green. Elegant, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, a very elegant printing on a beautiful acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block prints in half white. We also have zari lines and same grey blouse piece with one side maroon color borders. The saree is a beautiful maroon shade between maroon and red, very elegant color, and the down part is completely printed, and it is an Egyptian type printing. Egyptian prints, beautifully, ethnically it is being done on grey base, and the borders are also on the grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu, very elegant one with zari lines and zari border. Same maroon blouse piece, plain one. And this is a very beautiful and most demanded design, very famous design too, on a dull finish half white color. Beautiful circles pattern, small and big circles, done in very elegant black shade, and the borders are in maroon. Beautiful, simple and elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful peach color, a light pastel peach pallu with block prints and zari lines. Very elegant one. The blouse piece also have one side the block printed design. It's a very different concept. Complete sarees in the pastel peach, light and elegant and beautiful shade with block printing all over. Light half white colors used for the printing also. Classy saree, elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and blue color pallu, a copper sulphate blue with zari lines, and same greyish blue color. It's a very different color blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful, excellent colors. The dark grey and blue mixed color in the borders, and the block printing design is done in blue. Base color is completely half white, creamy half white color. Elegant one, very different with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, a light green color, excellent green, almost an olive shade pallu and blouse piece. The pallu have a beautiful lines, plain blouse piece. The saree is in half white color, the cream half white with beautiful prints all over the saree. Very elegantly it's been done using grey, and the saree borders are in green. Excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful purple saree, a violet and purple mixed color. Very beautiful one with block printed pallu, and we also have zari lines and plain blouse piece. Single color saree, completely in single turning color. Very elegant one. The border design as well as the block printed butta design in the body is done in half white. Elegant, simple and beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful Rama green and blue mixed color pallu, very elegant one Very different color, same color blouse piece with one side pink borders. Block printed design is also very elegant here. And here we have a rainbow colored saree, multiple colors, almost a hand painting design. The base color of the saree is elegant one, and the block printing is done using half white color. Beautiful color choices, very elegant, very different to with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Okay, we have a beautiful yellow saree with same yellow pallu, block printed one with zari lines, and we have the same yellow blouse piece. It's a very different yellow, almost in a dark turmeric shade with mango design buttas. That is block printed, very big buttas, beautiful one, done in a half white color. And we also have the border design that is also printed using the half white. The borders are also beautiful. It's a little smaller border, jerry border, elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue and pink and very beautiful block printed design in the pallu. We also have jerry lines, and we have same blue, Ananda blue this blouse piece. And the saree have beautiful horizontal splittings, very elegant one. The top portion is completely pink, it is in a magenta shade, and the middle part is black with beautiful rose design printing using half white color, and the lower part is completely blue. The upper part is a bigger portion, very elegant one, different with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a greenish mustard yellow color saree, same color pallu with beautiful block printed design and jerry lines, and same color, a darker shade blouse piece, contrast one. The complete saree is in the half white with mild mustard shade, and you can see the beautiful dark mustard shade prints, florals in both sides of the saree along with the jerry border, and the center part is completely a floral pattern, big flowers, printed very beautifully using multiple colors. A rare collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. So we have a beautiful dark red color pallu with jerry lines, beautiful gold jerry lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The saree is in very beautiful half white base with mild pink tinge, and the saree completely having beautiful prints all over using the red. Multiple prints are used here. The grey prints are also greyish green color prints in the top, and completely border pattern design in the bottom. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue saree, a light blue color, very drab, beautiful color in tussar, and the prints are done using half white and green, a pastel blue blouse piece. Complete saree is in same blue color, very elegant and attractive color. And the prints are completely in white and green. The combination is beautiful. The green and blue is really different and attractive one. Exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, half white color pallu with block printing in grey and red, bright chilly red color blouse piece, very contrast one to the body. The body have beautiful work. Middle part is completely in orange paste with half white color prints, and the next part is red, and completely the border design is printed using half white base and grey and red here. Very elegant one. Even the zari borders are on half white base itself. Elegant and classy looking saree. Very exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful, a very different color, peach and pink mix color. Elegant one with block printed design on yellow base, and very different grey blouse piece. Contrast one for the body and the pallu. And here we have the same, almost a brownish skin color this. Very elegant one, and only the lower part of the saree is having a yellow base with beautiful block prints in grey and red. Elegant one. different one too with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and orange color pallu with jari lines vertically, thus alternatively given, and we have a line, a brown color, almost a brownish pastel color pallu with one side maroon borders. Very different combination. The pallu, blouse piece, everything is in contrast nature, and the saree is in orange color base, and the printing is done in the lower half. Beautiful floral, kalamkari kind printing design, and next to that we have the horizontal orange and red, as well as the borders are in the brown base. Very different concept saree, colorful one with authentic silk knit. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, temple type design block printed in the pallu, grey base and white base with jari lines, and dark grey color, almost a blackish grey it is, with the body color in completely half white color, mild green color, and the bird pattern is printed all over in the grey, and we also have big temple design borders in both sides of the saree. Very elegant stuff, completely in grey and half white with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multi-color pallu, very colorful, and one side full black pallu with same black blouse piece, and one side we have orange color borders. The saree is in base, half white color, and very beautiful concept, the small triangles that is done in a checker pattern. Both orange and pink is alternatively used the whole saree printing. Very elegant one. The borders are in black base, excellent and very trendy with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. So we have a beautiful red pallu with block prints in on half white base, red and black used for the block printing, and jari lines, and same red blouse piece. Saree have multiple block print design used. You can see the borders on the red base, and again we have a border design that is done using black. Next to that we have a block printed design on white base. The complete saree is on half white base, and two designs are printed in red and as well as black. Very differently it's being done. It's excellent and exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very different dark brown color pallu with zari lines, same color blouse piece, with the one side yellow borders. The color of the saree is a very contrast one, yellow base, bright turmeric yellow, and the printing on it is done using half white and green colors. Floral pattern, closely printed one with the borders in the pallu color. Beautiful contrast concept saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. So we have a very beautiful pallu, green in a very different shade, elegant pallu, mustard and green mixed color, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The pallu have beautiful jari lines as well vertically, and the saree is also in mustard yellow with mild green shade. Very elegant one top, and the bottom we have the yellow base with mudra design, the kalamkari mudra pattern, elegantly printed with half white and red color. Very beautiful one, simple and elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful half white, black and red color pallu. Very beautifully the block prints are done along with the jari lines in the pallu, and same red color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The saree have beautiful design, yellow body, light yellow color, goldish yellow, with lower part completely in half white with the black and red printings, flower pattern. We also have a beautiful border design, and the base borders of the saree, the zari border is on red base. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, pastel green and red color pallu with red blouse piece. Block prints are also present in the pallu as well as the jari lines. And the saree is in a very beautiful light half white color with mild cream tinge. And on it the printing is done using olive green pastel shade. Very different printing design, and we also have a border designs in the both side borders that is done using black and red color. The borders are also in red base. Excellent combination. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pastel shade saree with a grey, light ash grey color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with zari borders along on both sides. The saree is in beautiful creamy half white. Very different blocks here. A instrument playing man in a sitting position, very elegantly done using grey base color. That is only the only color in the saree. And you can also see a beautiful forest design pattern printed in the lower half of the saree. Very elegant, classy one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful yellow pallu with zari lines and vertical block print design, and same yellow blouse piece with one side green borders. This is a very elegant and very rare combination. Light yellow and green. The green is very pastel and beautiful light green color with closely printed white block printed design, and we also have the yellow in the borders. Excellent color with rare combination and exclusive piece with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Dual color pallu, mild orange color and yellow color in the pallu vertically with block prints and jari lines, and we have same rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is completely in tussar color half white, and we have two different designs printed all over the body horizontally. Black and red is used for the printing, and we also have the border designs in black. The basic border, the jari border, is on yellow color base. Very different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a grey pallu with block print designs in yellow, and we also have jari lines in same color, grey color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in dark magenta pink with grey block prints, very different design. You can see the zigzag lines that is done in L and the 7 shape, and we also have very beautiful leaf pattern, and the lower half of the border is completely in grey and with the same pallu design block prints done in yellow. You can see the grey borders. Very elegant concept saree, exclusive with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with dark blue color prints, zebras as well as the floral patterns printed. The very contrast brownish green color blouse piece. The saree is in light green tinge, light pista green tinge, half white with printing completely done using very different green, that is an olive shade, and we have the borders in blue and the blue color. Differently, the zebras are dog design is printed in the lower half of the saree. It is done using dark blue, very elegant stuff with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have beautiful shades of brown pallu with jari lines and block print and design, zigzag pattern, and we have same brown color blouse piece. The saree is in two shades of brown, or orange mixed with brick brown color and light brown color, and the middle part is completely printed on grey base with half white color flowers. Very elegant one, and it is a kind of party saree, the half saree model. The lower part is completely grey in the top, otherwise it is same, which is looking really beautiful with authentic silk.
Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, done on acid wash double boiled tussar fabric material with zari borders on both sides. Dual color pallu, blue and red with zari lines. Blue color blouse material with borders on both sides. Chessboard pattern on both sides. In the middle we have multicolor blue, green, half white and red with the block prints, and a red color zari borders. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Thank you.
Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block printed design in half white color with zari lines also. And same grey blouse piece, dark grey color. And the saree is in dull finish half white with vertically a rusty orange color printed design, a Pochambali pattern, and we also have the border designs in the grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with block printed design and zari lines. Same black blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in very beautiful blue and white concept, the Pochambali type printing design, and we also have black diamond shaped designs as well. You can see beautiful one, patch kind printed using black. Very different concept saree, beautiful and trendy design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A dark grey, blackish grey color, black and grey mixed color pallu with zari lines and same color blouse piece. Most in a different way, and we have a beautiful batik printed design on the body, half white base color and batik printing done using grey here, dark grey, and the printing is done vertically in both borders, one in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom using red color. The flowers are very beautiful. The base of the borders are also on the pallu color shade. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful shades of brown, two shades you can see, choco brown as well as a light brown color with very elegant block printed design and zari lines, and with the coffee brown, brick red we can call, the same color blouse piece. The saree is in white portion, middle, top and bottom we have the two shade brown base with the fish type design, the fish motif printed. Very different printing design, you can see Ganga Jamuna pattern. Top is choco brown and the lower part is a brick red. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful brown pallu with zari lines and zari border, and we have a brown blouse piece, light brown color, very beautiful one, pastel and excellent color, very rare collection in Tassa, and the block printing is completely done using half white. Border designs as well as the butta designs, very differently, beautifully done. An elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu saree with green prints, the same dark royal blue color blouse piece, very different design, an exclusive piece, half white base color with brush painted kind design, blue and green used for the painting design, very elegant one, simple and very beautiful, different concept, and we have the borders in the dark royal. Very elegant, rare collection, exclusive with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink pallu with beautiful zari lines and same pink blouse piece, both sides zari borders. And here we have a very elegant light brown color base saree with big owl printing done in pink color. Very elegant one with green prints as well, floral pattern. The borders are in pink base. Different, rare collection, a trendy collection too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, Done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with excellent designing block prints as well as the jari lines, and same royal blue blouse piece. The saree is in white, almost a white color, milky white shade with temple design border in both sides with beautiful pink base, and we also have blue borders in the lower half which is in royal blue. Almost designing is in Poshanpalli design done on Tassa silk, and it's very elegant, classy collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful deep blue color, royal blue color pallu with jari lines as well as jari block printed design. Same blue, it's almost a Prussian blue here, darker than the royal blue color. Saree is in creamy half white, very elegant one, fully of fish concept saree. The small block prints are in small fishes design in black as well as in blue, and we have the lower part in a border design is also a fish pattern, very elegantly printed using black and contrastly in blue. Different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same in jet black color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body have very beautiful design, half white base with brush painted design in the saree. You can see art design, very elegantly brush painted using yellow, blue and black. And we also have a beautiful printing design in the black also. The lower part is completely printed using a floral design, very elegantly closely with red part. Beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark green color, almost a bottle green color pallu with zari lines. Same green blouse piece. Complete saree is in green shades. You can see the bottle green borders in both sides, and mid portion is little pale green, different and beautiful one. The shades of the green here with the printing in green and pink color. The pink is very dark and it is very contrast to the saree. Excellent designing, completely exclusive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pastel light green color, very excellent color with prints in half white and zari lines. Same color blouse piece. Complete saree is in single color, that is the green, light green color, almost in a different light pastel green color. And the dark blue, the copper sulphate blue is used for the printing. And we also have white prints, very elegant border design as well as the butta design printed all over. The pastel and beautiful green saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black and red color pallu with zari lines, and we have same dark maroon color, almost a brownish maroon blouse piece. Different color. The saree is in half white, dull finish, half white creamy color with multiple color printing. The top half is completely in that base and the lower half is having yellow mix as well. Closely printed rose design on it. The pink and black block printing design is also done. A beautiful closely printed saree with beautiful borders, excellent color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a turmeric yellow color pallu with borders in grey, and we have beautiful printing design using red and green. A contrast blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The blouse piece is in grey, very contrast one. The complete saree is in dark turmeric yellow. The printing is completely in a contrast colors. Floral printing in the bottom, and we have a border design printed in the top. And we also have a colored border, that is the grey borders in the end borders of the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a red color, it's a rusty orange and red mixed color pallu, beautiful color, a goldish red we can call. The same color blouse piece with one side pink borders. Beautiful pallu also with zari lines, golden zari lines. The saree is in pink base with beautiful half white color printing block printed design. There is a big mango design using blue and grey colors, and also we have a beautiful border design in the grey and white base. The borders are in red base, which is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with zari lines and a black blouse piece. One side maroon borders, a very elegant pallu and blouse piece, a contrast one. The saree is in beautiful concept, horizontally a half and half pattern. The top half is completely plain maroon and the lower half is black with the Pochumbali design printed using half white and red colors. Very beautiful one, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful grey saree with prints in half white, pallu also, and we have a plain blouse piece, zari lined and block printed pallu. The saree completely is in same color, grey, with the tree pattern block printed as well as a vertical lines pattern in both borders of the saree. Different and beautiful saree, an exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with zari lines, and we have same blue blouse piece, zari borders. Saree is a very elegant color, light blue, but that is a very different one. Pastel blue we can call, with printing in completely pink color, contrast pink color, that is very closely done also with very beautiful borders in the both sides, that is done using the pallu color. Beautiful and rare collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very beautiful border and pallu here, completely acid washed boiled tussar it is. This is the pallu of the saree with closely printed design, black, white and orange used for printing. And we have a contrast blue pallu, a copper sulphate blue color with one side grey borders. On the contrast, we have blue borders here, and the body is completely grey with the printing design, the body and floral pattern, done using the three colors. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with pink color, and we have zari lines and block printed design vertically. And this is a blouse piece in same running color with one side block prints. Complete saree is in single color, and that is in pink. Beautiful printing, small design. Three colors used for the block printing design, and we also have border designs block printed using white. Excellent and simple, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black and white saree here with beautiful village design printed on the black base, black pallu, jet black it is, very beautiful dark majestic black. The saree also is in white and black printing, very different tri-layer. The top portion is mostly white with prints on black, and the middle portion we have a black horizontal big line also, and border designs printed in the lower half. It almost have 4 design borders. Village pattern is also printed. Elegant one in antique kain jari, very beautifully done with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful ananda blue color pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same blue blouse piece with one side green borders. Very different combination. The saree is in olive green, and the top part as well as the lower part we have white space, half white color. On it the blue is used for printing. Block printed design, very elegant coding and floral pattern. The borders are again on the zari borders are on blue base. A different combination with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown shade, very different brown shade, pallu with zari lines. Same color blouse piece, fully plain blouse piece with zari borders here. Here we have a very different saree for the unique lovers. Here we have a very beautiful, very colorful brush painted design saree on base white. We have multiple colors and we also have printing design on it done using black. Very closely printed, very different design, randomly done with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a tri-color pallu, and we also have Amman face design printed in the pallu design very elegantly on black base, and we have a mustard yellow color blouse piece here. It's a very different saree, black and yellow concept. You can see very differently the black lines are coming in the saree on the yellow base saree. Printing is also done on black, almost rangoli pattern, and we also have a red patterns in the saree in circular motion. Very elegant one with the borders in black. Excellent new collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a dark Prussian blue color pallu, and we also have dark magenta in the pallu with zari lines and block printed design. Dark magenta color, almost a violetish magenta at this blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body is dark grey with multiple floral design printed, a big pattern. You can see the multiple colors used for the flowers. The bouquet design beautifully done with dark blue color, the Prussian blue borders in both sides. Elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful lavender color, rarely given in tussar. Beautiful shade with same color pallu and zari lines and block prints. We have a beautiful pink and lavender mixed color, completely in same color saree. The blouse piece as well as the pallu are also in the same color. You see a beautiful design, block printed using yellow horse pattern, doll horse. We also have the zigzag lines pattern borders in both sides. Very elegant one, different color, rare combo with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with block print design and zari lines, and we have a plain black blouse piece with one side yellow borders. This is a very different and very eye-catchy yellow, elegant color with printing in black color. The floral pattern printed, as well as we have a beautiful border design printed on the zari borders as well. Very beautiful design, exclusive collection, authentic silk.